Mammography. Introduction. Breast compression helps to produce better X-ray images of the breasts. Select true or false. Correct. A screening mammogram is used to detect changes in the breasts of women who have no signs of breast cancer. Select true or false. Correct. If the mammogram is done after a breast lump or anything unusual is felt, the mammogram is called a diagnostic mammogram. Women who are pregnant should not have mammography. Select true or false. Correct. When a radiologist determines that a mammogram is abnormal, it always means that the abnormality is due to a tumor. Select true or false. Correct. If the results of a mammogram are abnormal, additional testing will determine if the abnormality in the image is really due to breast cancer or not. Thank you for using Explain.